Hello? Oh, hey everyone. Welcome to my channel, Day in the Life of Nima. So I just wanted to record and show y'all this beautiful scenery. It's like really beautiful, and I was just thanking God for giving me a chance to see this. It's really pretty. Yeah, so I think today is like August 7th. I think it's supposed to be like a lunar eclipse or something. So hopefully I will be able to catch that, and just let me know what you think about this video. So I'm probably just gonna shut up so you can just enjoy the scenery. So bye. Peace out, y'all. I love y'all, and ti amo if anybody hasn't told you today, but you're a very beautiful person, and God bless. Love you. Bye.